This is from Wolf. हुसैन, ये ईरानी डम्बल्स हैं, इसको मील कहते हैं यहाँ पर, ये पहलवान यूज़ करते हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तान अजीज़, आज हम आपको दिखाएंगे कि ईरान के इंतहाई हुनरमंद हैंडीक्राफ्ट जो कि बेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड मानी जाती हैं, उनमें से चंद कीमती हैंडीक्राफ्ट को बनाने का क्या राज है और उसमें कितनी मेहनत लगती है। So we will have you meet a special guru in Iranian metal etching work who will show us her work in the Iranian province of Loristan in the historic city of Khurramabad. So we also have a little surprise for you in form of another artist later in this video. So keep watching the video for the amazing traditional art. Salam. Salam. What is your name? What is your name?
Mariam.
Mariam. Thank you, Mariam Khanam. This is the copperware. Kare Masi?
Bale.
Okay. Copper. Okay. This is beautiful.
Thanks a lot.
So all of this you made. This is so
Yes.
beautiful. Let me see.
And this, but it's the first design.
They will make a new.
So she's making the first round of. And this has to be very precise. Needs a very fine hand and tajurbe and experience. Are you making khile?
Yes.
This is okay. Castle, all right, that's great. And this one has a punch turn or something.
Allahu Malikul Haq.
Then you polish this. Okay, is this silver?
No, it's copper. Gal. Cover for gal.
Okay. And then you polish it.
It's Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
Sure, yes, very nice. Very good work. How long you're working this art?
16 years.
16 years, okay. And you learn from your family or you learn from the classes?
I work in glass and kargat.
Place that they teach her. She learn.
Okay, Amujishka class.
Amujishka.
Okay. Great, all right. So only the copper work you do, but also other work this is also your work?
Yes.
Jewelry? Okay.
Copper, gold, silver.
Okay, even gold. Okay.
Yes.
Silver,
bronze,
bronze. Metals.
metal.
Mostly. You do glasses also?
Everything metals.
Everything metals. Okay.
Whatever is able that
It can take the hit. Okay.
Etching.
Okay. Whatever, use hammer and precision. So 16 years. That's really nice. So really fine work she has, even with the Firoza. She's making this rings of Nishapuri Firoze turquoise, and they are very fine, very precise and very artistic. There is so much detail in her work and she has so much experience. Is it only in this province, Loristan, in Khurramabad you have been? Okay. So this is because I've been to Isfahan also. It is same like Isfahan or it is little different?
It is a complete Isfahan, Shiraz.
Okay, it's combination of. Okay.
Everything art.
Okay, everything with the combination of art of all three ostans, all three provinces. Okay. All right. This is handmade jewelry by her, and it is really beautiful and very detailed work. You can see the detail in her work. is like a coin also, and so much art. Oh my god, this is like a pine tree, and weight dumbbells and ferroscope and everything else. Thank you for letting us know all the very important knowledge for you that you have. Thank you very much. Traditional style Loristani jackets. So guys, after seeing her amazing etching work, we went to the other part of the bazaar, and then we also saw and met another amazing artist whose expertise is in handmade leather product. We were amazed by her work, and then she told us lots of English, Farsi, Urdu, Hindi. Pakistani हम उर्दू हर्फ नहीं जाना अरे भाई मिसले हिंदी है thank you Eli Mama. Her leather work is so unique and requires great precision that takes ages in order to achieve the level what she has. So not only she makes this great work of art, but she is also an instructor. She also teaches, and she's actually asking about the training. This is the very fine work that she's making. Really nice handwork, you can see. Of the leather. Iranian leather work is also good, right? Really good. You can see how refined these stitches are. बहुत ही refined बखिए हैं इसके अंदर, और बहुत प्यारा आर्ट वर्क है यहाँ पे. ये देखें ये सारा. ये सारा हैंडमेड है जो ये बना रही है. कीफे फूल दुरुस्त है. दे वॉलेट जो है लेदर का वॉलेट बना रही हैं, और ये देखें this is inlay. So many different colors, and these are from goats, and these raw leather, raw material is from cow. Very nice. This hat is also very beautiful.
مثل گرگه.
Gorgian. Really? Oh, wolf. Wow. This is from wolf. Hussein? Woo. This is a goosefan sheep. This is the raw one. This is cow. Her work is really good. She got so many certificates. You can see Handicraft. Her belts are really good also. Very fine handwork she did. This is even a rental store for wearing cultural dresses. People are wearing cultural dresses here, and they love it so much that they wear it and walk around this place. As you can see, she's wearing one of it. This is the traditional cultural dress, just like this. Look at this, Arushi. दोस्तों बहुत अच्छा यहाँ मेला लगा हुआ है, हर तरफ लोग, आप ये देखें, कल्चरल ड्रेस में भी तस्वीरें बनवा रहे हैं, तस्वीरें खिंचवा रहे हैं। और ये देखें, कल्चरल ड्रेसेस में लोग तस्वीरें खिंचवा रहे हैं। ये देखें, दिस इज़ द कल्चरल ड्रेस ऑफ लोरिस्तान and it is very famous. I see them all the places and they are enjoying their time.